All right, so what we're working on is a 1938 Mercedes 170 VS. This car was built as a race car. It has an aluminum and magnesium body, which has been part of the challenge throughout the project. The magnesium is hard to work on, along with the aluminum. And it's been pretty beat up over its life, so we've been doing a lot of repairs to the fenders and the body itself. And that's kind of the stage we're working at right now, is to get all the body panels repaired. Craig's been working on the front fenders. They were pretty damaged throughout its racing career, so we've had to repair a lot of sections of the fenders and get those fit back to the car. No problems really. Just trying to straighten out the end of the other fender over there. Gotta love race cars. They get beat up. We had to build a new dash panel for the car, and we've got the gauges and everything all fit in that, and got that body worked. So this is actually a desk light that they used from back in the day. Because these were a race car, they a lot of times use stuff that they just had laying around in the shop to put them together, and so that's what it ended up being. It's just a light on the dash. They used it when they were racing a lot of times, because you'd have a co-driver that would read maps and stuff like that out while they were driving. So that's what they use it for. Yeah, the biggest thing right now is getting the metalwork finished up, getting everything to fit. We've got headlights and stuff to fit on the front, along with that bumper that's got to get made still and fit on there. Yeah, start the body work on the front end of the car. The back end of the car, most of it is in primer already. So once we get the doors forward in body work, and then get it primed, we'll start blocking out the rest of the body and get it into final primer. And then we'll start the paint process, I guess, get it torn down and start painting parts. We've also got a lot of bolt-on parts that have to get painted too. The wheels, all of the headlights and bolt-on trim stuff all gets painted body color on this. Yeah. We've got a little bit of work to do inside of the car still. There's floor pans that have to get final fit in there, and there's actually aluminum belly pans that go underneath the car that we have to finish building and finish fitting. But that's about it until we get to the paint process. So my name's Tim Schmaltz. I've been here for about 6 years. I'm the body shop manager back here. I kind of oversee a lot of the full restoration projects we do, but I also do a lot of the painting and welding, fabricating, and bodywork. Kind of a jack of all trades, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place to work. This is our 1938 Mercedes 170 VS that we're working on.